How to create bulleted list in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Word and then go to the Home section at the top. In there, in the Paragraph section, you'll find Bullets. Simply click on Bullets. You'll find different options. Select the bullet you prefer. After that, you can type in. And for the second bullet, you can simply press on enter and it will add new bullets. And to disable everything, press on enter 2 times and the bullet will stop. If you have already made your list and you want to add bullets, what you can do is select the list, right click on it and you'll find bullets. Click on it, select the bullet you prefer and everything will be in the bulleted list. And if you want to create subgroups, what you can do is make a list as usual and select the groups you want as subgroups. I'll simply select 2 off the bottom, which is red and green. Simply select it and then press on enter on your keyboard. It will be in the subgroup section. As you can see, blue is the topic and red and green is the answer to it. This is how to create bulleted list in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.